Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am brand new to YouTube. I am going to be doing beer and boxes. So basically I'm combining my two favorite things in the world, beer and subscription boxes. I have Stitch Fix, FabFitFun, Allure, Ipsy, Wantable, lots of boxes. I will also be doing hauls. Like today I'm going to be doing a TJMAXX haul where I show you what I purchased at TJMAXX while shopping. I'm pretty excited about it. If you want to show some love to your YouTube lady over here, you can subscribe and like this video. Help out a newbie YouTuber, please. We depend on it. But today I'm going to be drinking Diabolical. This is an IPA from North Peak Brewing Company in Traverse City, Michigan. It is very good. This is actually the first time I have tried it. I've done a few outtakes, so you can tell I've been drinking it. It's very good. It's like citrusy, a little bit bitter, but I love the bitter beer, so it's really good. I highly recommend it. I think it's a little bit on the pricey side, but it's good. I think it's worth it. So that's what I'm going to be drinking throughout the video is Diabolical. Okay, so from TJMAXX, here's the bag. I already took everything out. If you want to know, it's from TJMAXX. I love this shirt that I got. It is a florally little number, quite cute. It's very flowy, if you can see that there. It's ruffly, the sleeves are ruffly. We have the ruffles along the collar, and then it does have that tie, these two little tassels that tie in the front to make it just a little bit of a preppy look. It's from the brand Dahlia. And this, friends, was $16.99, marked down from $24. So it's a nice little florally, springy, beautiful top that I love. Yeah, I will get lots of use out of this bad boy. And then the next shirt that I purchased was this. I already took the tags off because I've been wearing it today. Is from Green Envelope. Or envelope, I'm not sure. It's got a cute little curved hem there, and then we have the gold zipper. It's very light weight but soft. It's like super soft, and I did notice that from this company or brand, Green Envelope, I love all of the shirts I saw from them. I could have bought every single one. They were that cute. But I do love me some hunter green because I think I look good in it. So this will get some good use. It's not necessarily a spring color, but I look good in the earth tones, people. So I am going to keep that throughout the seasons because I do what I want. Right, and then the last top that I bought is this. It looks very cute. I don't know how cute it is on me because I'm kind of a heavier set woman with the chesticles and the hips, but I mean, I'm always trying to look better. No, I'm not. I'm always trying to try out new things. It is a cute little tie front shirt with these adorable button down details. It's blue and white stripes, and it's from W5. So this was also $16.99, marked down from $24. So those are the three shirts that I purchased, and I did buy some bodysuits, guys, because I don't know what's going on in the world, but bodysuits and jumpsuits are all the rage. I think I'm too old for this, but whatever. I gotta try to keep up. So Bazzolo is this first bodysuit. It is a thong bodysuit, but look how long that is. I don't know if it's gonna fit my butt. It's just a t-shirt bodysuit. I thought it would be fun to wear underneath some shirts that might be see-through-ish. Normally when I have camis, they ride up my body. because I have a bigger chest and I have some hips, some love handles. So I thought bodysuits might be a good alternative to that. I did just have a baby 6 months ago, but we have that extra weight floating around. And then this is just a simple little V-neck one, double V in the front and the back, and it's not a thong, it's just a nice little underwear. It is cream colored and has kind of a stretchy fabric, and then also has this underlay. So this was by Gaze, the company Gaze, and it was $9.99, marked down from $13. Thanks for that $3, TJMAXX. And then I forgot to mention that this was $7.99, marked down from $10. It's a cheap little shirt, so I don't know how it'll work, but we'll see. Okay, on to the pants. I have for you the cutest little ruched pant. These have been pretty popular on different channels and Pinterest, to say the least. So it's a little linen, soft, flowy pant. See how it lands? It's most likely supposed to be over the belly button, or high-waisted at least. And how cute would that look with a tight jumpsuit? These are from the company Thread Supply, and they are $16.99, down from $22. $16.99 seems to be a favorite number from TJMAXX. So yeah, I thought these were just adorable. Really like them. Okay, this is the last item. These jeans are so cute. They are from Indigo Rain, and they are a mid-waist light wash skinny jean with a little bit of distressing. On the back you can see it's just a teeny tiny bit. They are pretty long. I've got a longer frame, but they're super cute, and I got them for $10. They were on clearance, down from $22. I don't know how accurate that is. Not sure how accurate that is, because I mean, where do you buy jeans for that cheap? I don't know, besides like H&M and Forever 21, stuff like that. But these are really cute. They are a little bit tight on me, but I'm just like hoping that I will lose some weight in the future. I am, before my babies, I was like a size 8. Now I'm like a 10, sometimes 12, because of that extra baby lump. So, I mean, they work, but I'm not the most comfortable in them. But it looks cute. You'll see in the video. I'll show you some of them. I'm not going to show you the bodysuits because they are kind of revealing, and I'm planning on wearing them underneath clothes anyways. So sorry, not sorry. Don't need to show you that. Okay, so here is that ruffle top and the $10 jeans. So it is a little baggy. I kind of just tucked it into the jeans, but again, it's like a cute, I don't know if you can see how cute it is. Yep, flower pattern. And then the pants, let me just aim it down. They're a little tight, but I love the length, and the butt looks good. All right, so here is the striped shirt with a scoop, these cute little buttons, and then the tie. So I wouldn't necessarily wear these with these pants because they both have ties in the front. But I love these pants. These are so comfy. And cute. And springy. Not quite sure how to get the camera angled properly. I'm not wearing any shoes because I don't wear shoes in the house. They're a little long without the shoes on, but if I had a cute like pair of shoes on, maybe a little heel, it would look adorable. I don't know about you guys, but I just love this top. It's so cute. Okay, lastly is this nice hunter green zipper top. It's just flowy. Goes over the booty. I do love this color. If you guys like my videos, please subscribe. I am new, as you've heard, and I am looking to, you know, just keep doing this. So I have some boxes coming in the next couple of days, so I will be releasing some new content. That's what I get excited for. I mean, this is so much fun. It's hard to find time between babies and husbands and dogs and work to film, so I promise that I will do at least one video a week because it's just so much fun. This is a fun time. I'm excited to be a part of the community. So thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't like it, I don't care.